Welcome to Korean Linguistic Lesson 3. In last session in lesson 2 we discussed 5 rules how to write words in Korean language system. Do more practice, then only you can able to write any word in Korean language system. 1. What is 1 in native Sino-Korean number system? We are seeing only Sino-Korean number system. What is 1 in Sino-Korean number system? Il. 1 in Sino-Korean number system? Il. 2 E, 3 Sam, 4 Sa, 5 O, 6 Yuk, 7 Chill, 8 Pal, 9 Go, 10 Ship. Now coming to 11. How to write 11 in Sino-Korean number system? 10 plus 1. What is 11? How to write 11? 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1. What is 10 in Sino-Korean number system? Ship. 1 is il. Ship il. Easy, right? 12. 10 plus 2. Ship e. 13. 10 plus 3. 10. Ship 3 sam. Ship sam. Now 15. How to write 15 in Sino-Korean number system? 10 plus 5. 15. So what is 10 in Sino-Korean number system? Ship. 5 in Sino-Korean number system? O. Ship wo. Right? Ship wo. 19. 10 plus 9. Ship go. 20. Now see here. Look at here. 20. How to write 20? See. This is just for your ease of understanding. I mentioned like this. 20. 2 star 10. What is 2 in Sino-Korean number system? E. 10 is ship. 25. Again, how to write 25? This is the format for all the numbers, but don't write like 25 means 5 fives or something. This is the format only how to use for all the numbers. 25. 2 star 10, 20, then plus 5. What is 2 in Sino? E. 10 ship, 5 O. E ship O. Again 48. How to represent 48? Again same format. 4 star 10. That is the format. After that 8 plus 8. Sa ship pal. Again 62. Again same format. 6 star 10. 60 plus 2. Yukshi. Yukshibi. 62. In this lesson 3, today we will learn new vocabulary. Today we will learn 10 new words how we are writing in Korean system. First word is banana. Banana in Korean is banana. Same word. Both English and Korean name for banana is same. So banana. So we already discussed Korean English sentences are group of words. Korean words are group of syllables. See, banana. Ba is one syllable. Na is one syllable. Na is one syllable. Ba, na. Ba. Consonant followed by horizontal, vertical also besides. Again consonant, vertical. Consonant, vertical. So rule it's correctly following. Banana. House. What is house in Korean? Zip. ZIB. CVC combination. So last consonant will go down. Money. What is money in Korean? Don. Money in Korean? Don. Again CVC combination. So last consonant will go down. Baby. What is baby in Korean? Agi. What is baby in Korean? Agi. See here. A is one syllable. Gi is one syllable. Here we are writing A. But A is a vowel, right? But what is our rule? One syllable should start with consonant. So here there is no consonant. So we have to keep an empty symbol. So then consonant followed by vertical vowel. So it will come besides. Next, milk. What is milk in Korean? Uyu. Here U is one syllable. U is one syllable. And U is one syllable. If you observe, O is a oval, U is a oval, but both the syllables are started with ovals only. O is one syllable, oval. U is also one syllable. It is also vowel. But what is our rule? One syllable should start with consonant. So we have to keep an empty circle symbol. Why we're keeping here? We can keep here also, right? Why we're keeping here? Because here the rule is correctly following. Consonant followed by horizontal oval. Horizontal oval, it should be down, bottom of the consonant. So that's why we're keeping consonant here. Empty symbol here. Next, coffee. What is coffee in Korean? Kapi. What? Ka is one syllable. P is one syllable. What is coffee in Korean? Kapi. What is coffee in Korean? Kapi. This fa we are not pronouncing in Korean. Fa will changes into pa. Only pa is there. There is no fa in Korean language. That's why it is kapi. I have to pronounce it kapi. Water. Water in Korean is mul. Water in Korean is mul. So CVC combination, last consonant will go down. Minute. What is minute? Bun. What is minute? Bun. CVC combination, last consonant will go down. Juice. Juice. Both in English and Korean, both words are same. Juice in Korean is jusu. Ju is one syllable. Su is one syllable. So consonant followed by horizontal, it will go down. Consonant followed by horizontal, it will go down. Pant. What is pant in Korean? Baji. Pant in Korean. Baji. Ba is one syllable. Ba is one Korean syllable. G is one syllable. Consonant followed by vertical oval, so it will come beside. Ja. Again consonant followed by vertical oval, it will come beside. That is our today lesson 3. We will see one more topic in our next session.